Bea Alonso is officially back from her well-deserved break matapos mag-focus sa kanyang business at sa mga mahal sa buhay. Sabay sa kanyang 25th year in showbiz, ang kanyang comeback GMA series na Whispers from Heaven. Makichika kay Nelson Canlas. Pero good.
Mahigit isang taon na mula nang matapos ni Bea Alonso ang seryeng Widow's War.
Wake up, George. He wanted you dead. Wake up!
At mula noon, pansamantala muna siyang lumiban sa showbiz para pagtuunan daw ang mga bagay na hindi niya nabibigyan ng atensyon noong busy siya sa pag-arte.
I focused on my personal life, my business, so yeah, things are great. It's something that I have always wanted to do also, but never really found the time to do it na. Yun talagang like not wearing any other hat but that. So parang so far, parang feeling ko nakapag-create na tayo ng foundation. So I'm very happy about that. And I discovered a lot of things about myself that way.
Sa 25 years ni Bea sa showbiz, ngayon lang daw siya nagkaroon ng pagkakataon na matutunan ang iba pang mahahalagang bagay na magbibigay sa kanya ng saya.
There are many things na, and may mga simple joys na na-miss ko. Kasi when you're in the public eye, parang you tend to see like yung mga big things lang, big gestures and nakalimutan ko i-enjoy yung simple joys.
Malaki raw ang naituro sa kanya ng kanyang boyfriend na si businessman Vincent Co. Pero sa mga tanong tungkol sa pag-level up ng kanilang relasyon, partikular na sa engagement at pagpapakasal, ngiti lang ang isinagot ni Bea.
As much as I would like to share with you, pero syempre kasi I'm also protecting someone who's not from showbiz. He has a private life, he's a private individual.
Speaking of the things she loved, magbabalik acting soon si Bea sa isang kakaibang serye dito sa Kapuso Network, ang Whispers from Heaven. Makakasama niya sa serye sina Tom Rodriguez, Cassie Legaspi, and in her first Kapuso project, Marica Reyes.
Siguro kapag gagawa ako ng susunod kong teleserye since yun nga, 25th, na-realize ko 25th year ko na in the industry, it has to mean something to me, it has to mean something to my audience. Parang na-realize ko, this should be bigger than me as Bea, as an actress. Kailangan of service na dun sa mga taong sumuporta sa akin. And I feel like this project is very timely. At masaya ako that GMA is producing something like this.
Nelson Canlas, updated sa Showbiz Happenings.